fun and you want to talk about festive, there's all kinds of great ways to be able to decorate cards or whatever it is, the scrapbooking projects that you're doing. I love the variety of the dies because you get like branches and pine cones and snow flakes and flowers and all kinds of great stuff. It's $29.95 today if you want to pick it up. Stephanie Bernard is waiting on Skype. I think she's here. There she is.
Hi, Stephanie. I'm waiting.
There
Hi,
you
guys.
are.
How are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you, my dear?
I'm doing great. It's an early morning in California, let me tell you.
Oh yeah, I'll bet. That's right. Hey, these are great. I love this set of dies that's in this kit. And explain to everybody what the Swish cards are.
Well, what is the Swish card? The Swish card is an A2 size card base, but it has this fun little swish at the bottom. So when you die cut it, you're getting, of course, you're getting the card base. You're getting this inside piece here. You're getting this extra piece here, but when you close it, you'll see that fun little swish. And it just makes it a little bit more exciting. Now, it also comes with the fun flowers and the pine cone, and as you mentioned, the little twigs that you can do. But look how cute that are. And you're like, oh, that's really cute. But, you know, maybe I don't want to do a Christmas card. Well, here's a pink Christmas card if you want to do something like that. But look at how gorgeous those pretty flowers are. They're just fantastic. Now, here's a spring card using the exact same card base, and you have that cute little swish. Now, the reason why I designed this little swish was because I thought, oh, how fun would it be for you to add a little stamped message down here at the bottom. So we all have Merry Christmas stamps or Spring is in the Air stamps, Happy Birthday stamps, anything you want that you can just add at this little bottom. And then you just have that fun little spot where it shows, even when you open it, you still have it right there.
Love that. I love it.
Cute one. Here's
yep.
I know. Isn't that cute? And then you can also see the pattern paper behind it. So here we have the card base itself, and then we have the fun little gingham back there behind that. Here's one where we used it just to decorate and have our flowers go all the way around just like that. Look how fun that is. Now, this is an A2 size card base. That means it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, the most important card size for card makers. Designed by a card maker, me. I designed it exclusively for HSN. You cannot find this anywhere else. Here's a wedding card using the flowers. You can see the flowers cut out of vellum. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's a beautiful wedding card now. So you're going to be using this card base all the time. You're going to grab it not just at Christmas time, but all the time. Here's a just because if you want to just because. Oh, here's even a Life's the Beach. And you can just add it, but see, you can see that fun background paper right there. It just adds a different interest to the eye.
Yeah, with the dies that you've included, you can take them out a holiday if you wanted to, right? And you've got the branches and all kinds of fun things and pine cones and stuff like that. And the other, the ones that are like poinsettias or snowflakes, you could get double, triple duty out of those, using them for flowers or whatever you want. So they really are great. You are getting, remember, 14 dies are included in this, and you can see them. I flipped them around so you can see the dies themselves. And I love your dies. They're fantastic too. Super strong, paper thin, really great detail when you're using them in your machines. $29.95 FlexPay, $9.98. Stephanie, keep going. I love watching all your projects.
Okay, awesome, good. Well, great, thanks, Guy. And you're also going to get our idea booklet. We always like to throw in these idea booklets because you see these samples and they look really great. And you can go back on hsn.com and see some of them. But we also include this idea booklet. So you're going to see up close and personal, first what we're talking about and showing you that. But then you're going to see all of the ideas. It's going to give you all the information that you need to create these projects. And you're going to be able to see them, again, up close and personal. You're going to have them all the time. Store this with your die set so you always have inspiration to get started with. And it's just really fun. Oh, and you know what? Perfect for scrapbooking. You have a scrapbooking page there, Guy, that just really makes it really extra pretty with that fun little swish on it. And these flowers, let me tell you, they are fantastic. Again, here's a thank you card, not even anything to do with Christmas. And this one's really fun because you can also get these dies on hsn.com, these fun little, these word dies. So those are going to be on later today. But look how fun that is, a thank you card. So can you imagine making a Christmas card and then turning the same dies into pink flowers
Yeah.
for a thank you card.
Yeah, I've
Easy
got one
peasy.
inside your little booklet, like right here. You can see we've taken, what could be easily holiday decorations, and we just turned them into flowers, right? And this is just
Yes,
spring is in the air.
absolutely.
So, like I said, they do double, triple, quadruple duty. Really depends on what you want to make out of it. That's why I like the dies so much. Is that yes, they're great for holiday because of the pine cones and snowflakes, but however you decorate them is up to you, and you can make it look like a snowflake, or you can make it look like a flower. Really, it depends how you decorate
Right,
it.
exactly. Yeah, exactly. Just the colors you choose. And the theme. You can make it anything you want, which is really fun because you're not going to be just using it at Christmas time, which I know we need to start working on our Christmas cards because we need something to do. We're all stuck at home. So, you can start your Christmas cards now, get those all done, and then you can just start making anytime cards, just because kind of cards. And look how gorgeous that pink one is.
I love
It's
it.
just absolutely gorgeous. These flowers, and you're getting 4 different sizes of those flowers. So you can layer them, you can use them separately. You're getting 2 different inside pieces to go inside the flowers. You're getting the pine cone. You're getting 3 of these, what I'm calling little sprigs. They're like just little pieces of greenery that you can add in there. And there's 3 different sizes of that. Now, the most important die in the kit, though, is the largest die. This is the A2 size card base, which is so incredibly important because you're always going to be grabbing this card base. It's so important to have the A2 card size bases because you're just going to grab them all the time. And then, of course, we're adding the layering for the Swish, and then also the layering for this side. So you're going to be able to add your pattern paper on the inside, and then you're going to get this sort of look where you've added the pattern paper on the inside, and then you see it when you close that Swish front, just like that.
I love the Swish. Now I know all about the Swish. It's like it is like a little peek. It's a little peek, right?
Exactly.
Like a little
It's almost
teaser.
A little peek. That's exactly what it is.
Little
I
teaser,
love it. I love it.
Yeah, take a look at what's inside. I love that. Good, Stephanie, great job. Always so great to work with you and see you.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see you back here in person. Thanks for Skyping in.
Yes. Thank you, Guy. Have a good day.
You got it. You too. Hey, quick reminder, our best value of the day. If you still want to pick it up,